Yo, now this is a video for the Australian fans, but anyone from the UK, if you like watching the reactions too, then I got you. Last one I tried to do a UK reaction because apparently, according to the guy who does my thumbnails, one of my very good friends, ARJUN, he said that there's a lot of people in the local schools around my area that actually want UK reactions, and I'm just not giving them. So that outlandish, wild song got released, and I was literally just about to edit it. And then my mum's like, because I record, like right now, this is my mum's phone that the camera's on here. And this is my phone where I'm going to screen record the video. And literally, but I went to record a reaction to the PS and Kwengface song that just came out. But it just kept saying, oh, storage full, no storage. So I just gave up, gave my phone to my mum, and then went to edit the video. And then she calls me, she's like, oh no, there's space. I was like, what? Like, she fully freed up storage just so I could do this video. So I got a very supportive mum, very supportive. So anyway, for the Australian viewers, Conrad Poo, I hope I'm saying that right. Conrad, it's probably not that, is it? Conrad Poo, whatever your name is, Conrad, yeah? Conrad, what a guy. Imagine I'm minding my own business. This guy texts me on Instagram. I'm going to put it on the screen now. He's put me on the same list as Walks, Lead to the VA, Dan and Cass. Ah! Fam! Don't gas me. I'm not worthy of that list yet. We've got a long way to go. I said it to him. Not yet, but I am honoured. I am humbled, but not yet. But I'm humbled still. But we've got a long way to go. And Deep Speaks is on the original, the godfather of UK drill reactions. Or just, yeah, drill reactions. He's putting me on the same list as him. Chill. I've not heard that yet. We've got a long way to go. Speaking of a long way to go, recently, I was given the title of Sarchie ONEFOUR, unofficial UK ONEFOUR president. And so it appears to me that Pistol P and Enzo, two people who I rate very highly, have been chatting about ONEFOUR in a manner that I don't really like. So as ONEFOUR's unofficial UK president, Sarchie ONEFOUR, I've got to investigate. So without any further ado, Pistol P and Enzo, I swear. Let's see what kind of nonsense they're chatting about. This beat sounds sick. The Rolls Royce.
It's the heat.
So scary.
Oi, lad, I swear, Southwest were the best day. Shot footy Brits, I got exploits. Kicked it off to these ball runners, they ran it up and got eps like. Now like this ain't drill shit, this real shit, this field shit. Run that dog to the ground, then but now we can't feel shit.
Don't be calling the ONEFOUR dogs. We can't. I don't condone that behavior there. I'm not gonna lie. Don't be calling us dogs.
To the 0466, so Southwest, don't get that twisted. Love for the hooligan.
What did he say? He said 046. I was told 046, OC, and Pistol P and Enzo, they're all on the same side, but they're on the other side to ONEFOUR and 21, obviously. But what did he say?
Real shit, this field shit. Run that dog to the ground, then but now we can't feel shit. Shout out to the 0466, so Southwest, don't get that twisted.
Yeah, Southwest, don't get that twisted. So the other side, I see you making an effort, but you never really reach the levels of ONEFOUR.
Hooligans, love for my doggers in the 21 district. John Wick that raper, clip full as any still sleepy. I push that, make that go deeper, make him pay like he wants a feature. They don't want more, let them want clout.
Make him pay like he wants a feature. Yo! That's a bar! That's a bar! When two rappers are doing a song, yeah, obviously one of them will always naturally be bigger than the other, unless they're from the same group. So like Zone 2's last song, they're all in the same group. No one's paying anyone. That's just friends making a song together. But for example, Fizzler and Kwengface, I don't know the relationship there, or Smugsy Ace and Lats dropped a song. If you want to be on someone else's song, you paid them. Gully Pabs is the best example. He paid OFB money so that they could be on his song. And this guy said, make him pay like he wants a feature. That is a bar. I don't care about the tension between ONEFOUR and that. It's all a joke. But obviously, I like ONEFOUR more. But it's not going to, like, affect my reactions of other people's music. Especially if they're dropping bars like that. Fam, I need to reload it.
District, John Wick that raper, clip full as any still sleepy. I push that, make that go deeper, make him pay like he wants a feature. They don't want more, let them want clout. Smack that pussy boy on his mouth. Let them know that we're from the south. Then watch that cream get turned to a mouse. Now we don't talk about taking no trips.
Watch that what get turned to a mouse? What did he say? Need to reload it again. I don't get. You guys forget the accent in some songs comes across stronger. So this time it's coming very strong, very strong. But I think I might just be used to hearing the accent of the what's it called? The Mount Druitt. I'm not really used to hearing it from elsewhere.
You want a feature, they don't want war, lad, they want clout. Smack that pussy boy on his mouth.
They don't want war, they want clout. Are you sure? Tell me why YP is serving a sentence, please. Exactly.
Let them know that we're from the south, then watch that cream get turned to a mouse. Now we don't talk about taking no trips, only peace I know is on hips. I'll take a G away with this grip. Times got tough, we can't jump ship, fucking off, I swear. Oi lad, I swear these fake cunts, they weren't there. Plus you got pulled, I look left and right and fuck them dogs got shook. Had to cut all of them dogs off, then I had to call up my day dots. Low to the wifey, low to the fam, for my blood I'll bang them shots. Oi lad, I swear, all the...
I just, obviously, as objective as possible. I don't know if you use that word. Objective is just when you just try to look at it from an angle as if you weren't involved. Yeah, no, the bars are cold. You know I rate Pistol P and Enzo highly. Like, I put them lyrically on the same level as ONEFOUR. Like, they're hard. They're hard. But just all this chat about dogs saying they're not on it after what happened last week. I mean, we've got proof, ONEFOUR, they're about it. I don't really need to elaborate. YP elaborated for me with that chair leg. But let's just listen to this song. Enough of the politics.
Dogs looked up to us and now they wanna fuck with us. If they really want beef, then they're gonna need their luck with us. Tell them dogs to kick back, load it up and click clack. If they really want that, lad, put that pin on the map, I swear. All these dogs looked up to us and now they wanna fuck with us. If they really want beef, then they're gonna need their luck with us. Tell them dogs to kick back, load it up and click clack. If they really want that, lad, put that pin on the map, I swear.
Hey, doing there, lad. Say swear you're bad. Say swear you got that strap. Say swear you're moving bags. They hate the fact we got bars. Grab their gear, then hop in the car. They come for smoke. They'll get close, but no cigar. Hey, Deuce is really on top.
What? Smoke, no cigar. Let me reload
You
it.
got that strap. Say swear you're moving bags. They hate the fact we got bars. Grab their gear, then hop in the car. They come for smoke. They'll get close, but no cigar. Hey, Deuce is really on top. Crazy cunt, I'm really off chops. They come 20 deep to my area. I'll go by myself to that block. Hey.
They come 20 deep to my area. I go by myself to that block. He's pretty much just trying to say there's levels to this. They need 20 people to come see me. I can't take myself to them. Like, yo, what's good? What's good? These two have bars. Also, when he said they hate the fact I got bars, I mean, YP doesn't, because lyrically he's got bars, and physically, Anyway.
Fuck 'em all, I'm on the ball like a rockin' more. Boot to the face, I rock 'em all. Let my things sing it, yo.
I'm on the ball like a rock. Rockin' rugby. I think if that's what he's trying to say, you know I caught it. I catch everything. It's like every song I listen to is contagious. I can't listen to a song about catching something. Hey, even I'm coming in bars. Even I'm coming in bars.
Kinda really off chops. They come 20 deep to my area. I'll go by myself to that block. Hey, fuck 'em all. I'm on the ball like a rockin' more. Boot to the face, I rock 'em all. Let my things sing at your front door. And that's on mothers, lad. That's on my brother, lad. These dogs are out of uniform. I'll put them under covers, lad. It's for the...
That was a double entendre. That had two meanings. The dogs in uniform or something, I put them undercover, lad. So obviously police officers when they go undercover, but also when you die, they put your body under a cover. So he said, you see what I mean about Pistol P and Enzo? Well, I like them so much. Please. Any Pistol P and Enzo song, slap that to me in the DMs. You lot don't even need to be told. You're in my DMs all the time. Oh my gosh, I'm loving YouTube right now.
So all day, come and play. Heard they're talking about the strap, them they're out of uniform. I'll put them under covers, lad. It's for the usos all day, come and play. Heard they're talking about the strap, them boys Indians, they don't spray. Pistol motherfucking pay. I'm just trying to make some money.
Indian, they don't spray. Let me rewind it and see if I can catch it. What did he say?
out of uniform, I'll put them under covers, lad. It's for the Usos all day, come and play. Heard they're talking about the strap, them boys Indians, they don't spray. Pistol motherfucking pay, I'm just trying to make some money moves. Invest and spend the interest, that's how the money moves. We seen some bitches switch up, that's what the money do. This entertainment, motherfucker, it's the money
Boy, like I
crew.
swear, all these dogs looked up to us, and now
was
they wanna
aggression.
fuck with us. If they really want beef, then they're gonna need their luck with us. Tell them dogs to kick back, load it up and click clack. If they really want that, lad, put that pin on the map, I swear. All these dogs looked up to us, and now they wanna fuck with us. If they really want beef, then they're gonna need their luck with us. Tell them dogs to kick back, load it up and click clack. If they really want that, lad, put that pin on the map, I swear. I pray that the Lord don't send for me. Online, like they got different energy. I pray that the Lord subtracts fake friends, cause brother, I can handle my enemies. Full throttle, through goggles. I'll put your genies back in their bottles. Push then twist, I'm taking off nozzles. Look back then, they relax and they wobble.
I swear them boys are fake, man. I spray their bodies just like fake tan. Back to back, I got strapped to catch makes.
I wasn't expecting this. I was literally about to like stop the screen recording. I spray their bodies like fake tan. What do these white girls in my area like to do? Party coming up on a Saturday. What you spend your whole Friday night doing? Can you hold my clothes real quick whilst I fake tan? Fam, I spray their body like a fake tan. There's no need for that violence.
So I'll put your genies back in their bottles. Push then twist, I'm
Put the genies back in their bottles. I didn't even know what he's trying to say with that, but he's just trying to push them back in.
off nozzles. Look back then, they relax and they wobble.
I swear them boys are fake, man. I spray their bodies just like fake tan. Back to back, I got strapped to catch make statements. We bring the fire first, no caveman. If I fire first, big disperse when the brother aims it.
You say we bring the fire, no caveman. What did this guy say?
Swear them boys are fake, man. I spray their bodies just like fake tan. Back to back, I got strapped to catch make statements. We bring the fire first, no caveman. If I fire first,
We bring the fire first, no caveman. Fam, cavemen introduced the human race to fire. Pistol Pete are trying to claim that they've introduced the ops to fire. Of course I caught the bar. Of course I caught the bar.
disperse when the brother aims it.
What did he say?
Catch make statements. We bring the fire first, no caveman. If I fire first, big disperse when the brother aims it.
Now it's actually finished. That was vile. That was vile. Aye. Someone said, like, I don't know if it was Zion. Someone definitely said, like, you'll understand the beef more after you listen to that. And I do. There was hatred in that. Don't know how many F-bombs the guys felt like dropping there. But there were a few. There were a few. And you only swear like that with that much conviction, that much aggression. If there is anger and hatred to the ops. What did I say in the beginning reaction? You only make a song like that if you're angry. Obviously, I heard rumours that someone else dropped as well. Yeah, so this beef is intensifying. Obviously, I don't know if that's true. But I've heard rumours are going about. So rumours like that can definitely fuel people like that to make songs like that. So obviously I hope the rumours aren't true, because no one needs to live their life, because it's not worth it. But I am hearing these rumours, and no one's saying that anyone from ONEFOUR's dropped. And so I mean, all we're hearing is that they're getting locked up, and JM's not allowed to go to New Zealand to perform, which I found really stupid. But obviously, Free YP, every Australian song I'm going to react to, I'm going to say that because he's my favourite. So Free YP, Free Lex, Free Selly. People telling me to react to the Selly songs. Yo, the time will come. Selly Want The Money, I think it was. Couple people DMing me telling me to react to that. If you want me to really react to a song, DM me the song. It goes straight to my priorities, because you felt the need. Not just do the easy thing. You've watched one of my videos and then you drop a little comment. Oh, react to this, like the 200 people do a week. No problem with that. Waking up in them, because obviously the time difference is different. Yeah, the time zone is different. So I wake up, but with the time I've woken up, it's 4 PM in the afternoon for you lot, and I wake up and I'm seeing all these different comments, and it just gasses me. Like, I'm still relevant. Nothing's changed. But if you DM me, it's like you've gone out of your way. You've closed down YouTube to text me directly and said, yo, react to this. It bangs. So thank you very much for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Trying to hit 3K by Christmas. that's another 400 subs to gain, so it's gonna be a grind. Someone said they think I can hit 100k by the end of next year. You never know, but if I stay on my grind, you never know. So obviously, thank you very much for everyone who's here already. Thank you for watching this video. Leave a like if you enjoyed, comment below, or DM me what song you want me to react to next. Thank you very much for watching. I'll be back again soon. This has been Sarchie ONEFOUR, and I'm out.